Having trouble updating Chrome on your PC? No worries, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the update failed error in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Uninstall Chrome. Step 2. Check system requirements. Next, make sure your computer meets the requirements for Chrome. Check the official Chrome website for the minimum specifications needed for your operating system, RAM, and processor. Step 3. Download Chrome again. Now, visit the official Chrome website and download the latest version of Chrome for your operating system. Step 4. Try to update now. Open Chrome and go to Help in the menu. Select About Google Chrome, and Chrome will automatically check for updates. Follow the prompts to update Chrome. Step 5. Try the Standalone installer. If the automatic update doesn't work, don't worry, you can try using the Standalone installer. Go to the Chrome website, download the Standalone installer for your operating system, and run it to install Chrome. If the automatic update fails, use the Standalone installer from the Chrome website. And there, you have it. Follow these steps to fix the update failed error in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a seamless browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.